Today I will tell you English sentences for traveling abroad like job, study, tourism. English sentences with Urdu translation, so listen to be careful.
Number 1. I am going to another country. Number 2. She is going to another country for studies. Number 3. Are you going to another country last week? Number 4. They went to another country last year. Number 5. Why are you going to another country? Number 6. He is going to another country to find a job. Number 7. We are going to another country for tourism. Number 8. She is going to another country to meet her family. Number 9. I will go to another country soon. Number 10. Have you ever gone to another country? Number 11. I need a job. Number 12. He is looking for a job. Number 13. She got a new job. Number 14. Do you have a job? Number 15. This is a good job.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you like, comment, share, and don't forget the subscribe channel.